Hello and welcome everyone to Travel Onto Tickets. Today we bring to you a few points for your seamless journey to the land of enchantments, Vietnam. Vietnam is a place that has everything for everyone. You want bustling cities, sprawling beaches, dense forest, and if you are a history buff, Vietnam is the place. Vietnam gives you a complete experience of a country that has civilization centuries old. Okay, so what are you waiting for? So without much ado, let's take you through the points. Okay. Number 1, transportation. Local transport can be a little tricky if you do not know the language of the land. Hence, I would suggest you to download Grab app even before you have set foot in Vietnam. Grab offers you the best prices in best possible comfort. You can order cabs as well as bikes, depending upon in whichever mode you like to travel in. Also, Uber works there, and Vietnam has a pretty good public transport system, but as I said, Uber doesn't have much reach and public transport is a little tricky. So yes, Grab is for grabs. Okay. Number 2, communication. Indian telecom companies do offer great deals in calling time as well as in data charges. But in my experience, it always helps if we have a local SIM card. In Vietnam, you can have local SIM card with a photocopy of your passport. So please always carry a few photocopies of your passport whenever you travel to a foreign country. It certainly helps in many ways. Third and the most important thing about visiting a country is money. Okay, it always helps if we have the currency converted according to the country's currency. So please make sure that before you visit to Vietnam, convert your currency, because most of the cases you use the liquid cash more than the cards. Although major credit cards work there, but it also incurs a little service charge. So why pay extra if you can have the currency converted? Also, other than the Vietnamese dong, please also carry some dollars and pounds for safety, because you never know. Although we budget and we plan, but there might some extra expenditure that might incur. So having a few extra dollars and pounds will always give you a safety. Okay. Now let's come to the favorite thing, food. Vietnam is a foodie's paradise, but it can be a little tricky place if you are a vegetarian or a selective meat eater. In that case, please be careful about what you are eating. It never hurts if you ask the vendor what the ingredients are. Also, the people who have nut allergies, please make sure to ask the vendor or the restaurant people about the ingredients, because in Vietnamese cuisine, peanuts do occupy a pretty important place. Vietnamese pho is a hearty bowl of rice noodle soup with eggs, veggies and or meat. Meat is optional, egg is optional, but it always has rice noodles and veggies. So for the vegetarians, you have the options, and for selective meat eaters, you can ask the vendor to put chicken, or if you eat eggs, then you can have an egg pho. So in that case, you can always go for Pho 24. The restaurant chain is available in all the major cities in Vietnam, and they do offer you pretty clear-cut options in what type of pho you would like to have. One more important thing that you should not miss is fruits. Vietnam has some very exotic fruits that you should always try, and it is nice to see that, like, when people walk on the park and they go to some place, they rather snack on fruits rather than gorging on chips and chocolates and all the other unhealthy stuff. So you can try that. Another very popular street food is savory pancake. When talking about pancake, we think of this fluffy, circular, sweet things. But in Vietnam, the pancakes is usually savory, wrapped with cheese or some veggies and sometimes meat. So again, choice is yours. Okay. So Vietnam, I watched a few blogs, and in those blogs, majorly people said that Vietnam is not very safe because there might be pickpocket or chain snatching or camera snatching, mobile snatching, etc., etc., etc. So I was really scared about that, and I was the initial few days I really spent worrying about getting mugged. But as the days progressed, I felt that Vietnam is pretty safe, especially for women. And we were walking around even at around 11:30 in the night, and we felt it pretty safe. One more important thing that you should always consider is to check on the weather forecast. We went to Hanoi and it was pouring rain, and we didn't have any rain gear. So our first day was kind of ruined, and we had to stay indoors because, well, it was pouring rain. Okay, and we couldn't really venture out. Another thing, we couldn't really enjoy Bana Hills. It's one of the most beautiful sights in the world, and we couldn't enjoy because it was very foggy. So had we planned the Bana Hill trip for some other day, we would have enjoyed the day, but we couldn't. So we learned in the hard way. Make sure that it doesn't happen to you. Okay, now let's talk about the final and a very important thing that we do when we go to a new place. Shopping! I love shopping. Do you? Please write in the comment section. Okay, so one thing very important when you shop in Vietnam is, number one, have exact changes ready, and number two, haggle. Bargain is the key, because even for small things they quote an exorbitant price, and you know inherently that this cannot be the price of this particular thing. So bargain, stand on your ground, quote a decent price for that thing, and stand on your ground firmly. Because it happened with me that when I bought some things, I got almost 80% rebate, because, well, I quoted the price and I got it. So for shopping, you can always check the jute bags, the bamboo bags, of course the tea set, and one thing, please do not miss the Vietnamese coffee. Vietnamese coffee is to die for. Vietnam makes one of the best coffees in the world. Of course, when you are in Vietnam, you are going to drink egg coffee. I did not mention it there because Vietnam experience equal to egg coffee. Minus egg coffee, Vietnam experience is incomplete. But when you come back to India for your family and friends, you can always bring some coffee there, because their coffee is seriously to die for. When I brought a lot of coffee and my bag was almost on the verge of being overloaded, but anyway, it didn't get. So yes, coffee please, coffee makes everything better. So I hope my points would help you to have a seamless travel experience in Vietnam. And since we decided to have these vlogs during this COVID time, so we do not really have much of videos, but you can always check out the photos and the backstories of our travel in our Instagram. Please don't forget to check out our Instagram profile, and please follow us. Till then, bye-bye.